Here we are at Contra Costa Power Sports, and today we have our 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic V-Twin, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, beautiful classic cruiser styling, the big long fenders, metallic silver, only 6,800 miles on this gorgeous Vulcan. It's got a belt drive, so no chain to mess with. Heel toe shifter. Come on by, make your classic V-Twin cruiser dreams come true for just $49.99. Low mileage and great condition. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Power Sports.